You think your plan is perfect? Wait till you see Allah's plan. Sometimes, what you want doesn't happen, not because you didn't try hard enough, but because Allah has something better prepared for you. Life's delays, detours, and disappointments are not rejections, they are redirections. Allah knows the unseen, He sees the dangers you can't, the blessings you're not ready for, and the paths you never imagined. The key is trust. Your future isn't slipping away, it's being perfectly crafted by the one who loves you more than anyone else.
وعسى
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not. So, when things don't go your way, whisper this to your heart, Allah knows. I trust Him. If this verse gave you hope today, share it so someone else can find strength too.